Hello, first graders. I am back with another lesson in procedural writing. This is our 6th lesson in procedural writing. Right now, what you should have is you should have your own page that looks like mine, but it's not going to teach someone how to do laundry. It's teaching them how to do something else. I don't know what that something else is, and I cannot wait to see, but it's going to look something like this. Now, my first step after I have my paper is I'm going to write today's date because it's not just taking me one day to do this. Whoopsies. Anytime I work on a piece, I write that date again, just to remind myself, yep, I worked on it again. So check over your page. It should have the name, the date, your title, how to, whatever it is you're teaching someone. Then it will have your introduction. Remember, our introductions always start the same way. I am going to teach you, and then we say our title. Mine was how to do laundry. Yesterday, your job was to think of the steps for what it was you were teaching someone to do. We had to make sure that the steps were not too big, too many of them, and not too little. We had to think about what are just the big things. And so I sketched my steps out here. Check to see if your paper has your steps sketched out. If it doesn't, I want you to pause the video. I want you to make sure that you have sketched steps. Unpause it when you're ready. Okay, now that I have my paper that has all of my steps, it's time for me to get the work done. I need to get writing. You will remember that this paper gives me some clues to my writing. So right here, on my step number 1, I'm going to use the word first. These are the words that I use when I'm teaching someone something and I want them to be in order. First, next, then, after that, finally. Can you sing it with me? First, next, then, after that, finally. Okay, I'm going to come right here. Step number 1, I'm going to write that word first. Now, it's the beginning of the sentence, so I need a capital F. I-R, S-T. Uh-oh, my T is too small. I wish I had used a pencil, then I could just erase, but I think I can fix it like this. After I write my word, I kind of stop and I think, does that look right? And if it doesn't, I'm going to think about what I can do to fix it. Now, I need a verb. My sentence is going to have my word for steps, and then it's going to have a verb. First, and what was the thing I wanted someone to do? I wanted them to, put the clothes in the washer. Oh, okay, so I thought this up. Now I'm going to write it down. First, put, little space. Put is funny. The U makes a sound. We call that a schwa. First, put the clothes. Oh, wait. Look I'm going way too small. Cross that off. Oh, and look at the word the. What did I forget? I was just going too fast. Remind myself, slow it down. Do your best work. First, put the clothes. And I know it's E-S. I've seen that word a lot. First, put the clothes. Where do I want to put them? Into the, what was it again? Washer. Now, let's say, I don't know how to spell washer. I'm going to go call somebody to help me. No way. First graders don't say, how do you spell? They do the best they can. So if I'm going to do the best I can with the word washer, I'm going to start with the parts or the syllables. Wash, I'm going to go to wash. Wash, Now I was just going to put an R here, but I know every syllable has a vowel sound. So it has to be one of those bossy R's. Usually it's ER at the end of the word. So I'm going to put an E. Washer. First, put the clothes into the washer. What am I going to do next? There we go. I have my first step done for my how-to. First, put the clothes into the washer. I'm going to help you with the next one. Are you ready? Watch how I do it. Okay, what was the next thing? Then you have to add the soap to the washer. I can't just say add the soap. I'm going to come up here. I use the word first. It's time for me to do next. First, next, then, after that, finally. I had the word add. That's my verb, my action word, what someone needs to do. Add the. Now, I can't just put soap, or I could get really specific, and I'm going to call it what it is, which is laundry detergent. Detergent is another word for soap. Detergent. Now, wait a second. Deter. I forgot to put a vowel in that middle syllable. Detergent. I'm going to stick an E in there. E-R. kind of like I did with washer. Next, add the laundry detergent. Well, where are they going to add it to? I better be really clear, right? Next, add the laundry detergent to where do they need to put it? In the washer. Well, look, I don't need to stretch it out again. I wrote it right up here. Washer. Okay, so I am on my way. I am thinking about what I wrote down for my steps. I'm taking my step word up here. First, next, then, after that, finally. I'm adding a verb, and then I'm telling people exactly what to do. So I'm going to tell you my plan. I'm going to say, then, wait, that's my verb, for the washer to ding. After that, move the clothes from the washer to the dryer. Finally, take the clothes out of the dryer. Those are all of my steps for my how-to. Your job is to go ahead and decide what your steps are, and then use your step words. First, next, then, after that, finally, and your verb to create the steps for your how-to. I can't wait to see what you're doing. Keep up the great work.